Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Palisadoes Strip. This very small, or I guess you could say narrow road, is very important in Jamaica. It takes you to the Norman Manley International Airport and also to Port Royal. So we just went around the Harborview roundabout and got on the Palisadoes Strip, and we're heading towards the Norman Manley International Airport. Now on the left, you notice there are some rocks. They act as a reef or a barrier to ensure that the waves don't come up and block the road, or the water doesn't come up on the left and block the road. Because as we said, this is the only road you can take, or the only road that takes you to the Norman Manley International Airport. So if this road gets blocked, it's a very serious problem. So on the left you see the rocks that form like a reef or a barrier, but on the right you notice there are no blocks or rocks or anything of any sort. On the right actually is a boardwalk, a very popular boardwalk too. A lot of persons walk here, jog here, go fishing. But on the right is the Kingston Harbor. It's a natural harbor, so the water in the natural harbor will never rise to the level of the road. So you don't have to put anything there to prevent the water from rising. It's the 7th largest natural harbor in the world. And I think the largest is in Australia. So this is a road you have to take to get to the Norman Manley International Airport. And that airport is the only international airport in basically this part of the island. It serves the capital city of Kingston and all the eastern parishes. Outside of this airport that we're going to, the Norman Manley International Airport, the only other airport of this size is the Kingston International Airport in Montego Bay. That one is actually bigger, but it's on the western part of Jamaica. So to get from where we are to that airport is about a 3 or 4 hour drive. So this airport is very important. And there's another airport, international airport, in Boscobel, which is just, we could just say Ocho Rios. It's on the outskirts of Ocho Rios, probably a 10-minute drive. But nobody's going to know where Boscobel is. So if we say Ocho Rios, everybody will know where that is. But that airport, it's an international airport. It's the Ian Fleming International Airport. But the runway is not very long. It can't land a big jumbo jet, basically. Only Norman Manley International Airport and the Kingston International Airport can land those 2 big planes, or planes of that size. So that's a very nice view of the city of Kingston on the right. Alright, so this roundabout now, if we were to go, we continue going around, and that will lead us to the into the Norman Manley International Airport. But we took this left, and this will take us to Port Royal. It also, you can see the runways of the airport from this side. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.